Now let's take a look at solo number 1. Okay, let's kick things off by having a listen to our intermediate arrangement of the solo in full. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we kick things off with this descending lick. For our next figure, we play this blues phrase. Just pulling the D string down by a semitone. Okay, we play the descending run again. And then we're onto the G string. Play that 3 times, bend up a whole tone. On the B string. Back to the G string. And as we strike that G string 7, we slide up quickly to the 9s. You get... And then we re-pick. Okay, now change position because you landed on the 3rd finger on that 9th fret. We're now going to swap and change to the 2nd finger so you can go... Okay, and then up to shape 1. Okay, so you're bending up on the G and then grabbing at the B string, so... And then we do that again. Okay, so you play the B string, bend up on the G, release and re-pick it. Onto the D string with a hammer. And then G string. And then we're going to bend up that G again. So you bend up the G, grab the B, and then bend up the G again. Go on to the next lick. We're barring across the top 2 strings at the 12. Bend the B up, and then we're going to bend up, and then release. Just come down the scale, so you get this. Okay, then we're doing that bending lick again, bending up the G string and grabbing the B string. So you get this. Hammer on the D, G string, bend that G up again and grab the B, and then bend up on the top E. Sorry, bend up on the B, should I have said there. And then come down from the top E. Okay, then we have this little descending figure on the G string. We're going... So you're picking, pulling off, and then back up to the starting note. Drop down. And then we're going to go up to the top E on the 12th, and then bend up on the B. So we're in shape 1, E minor pentatonic. That same descending figure. And then conclude with a unison bend there. You're just, it's like a double stop bend, should I say, holding the B string and bending the G string up. So now let's play through the intermediate arrangement of the solo at a slow tempo. 2, 3, 4, and... So now it's your turn to play through the intermediate arrangement of the solo, and I'll see you back here for the next lesson.